What's up everybody and welcome to this video. Today we show you how to connect ComfyUI with N8N. So friends, the first step, click on create workflow and then click add. First step, from the search node, search for HTTP request. From the request you have method and get head option and patch and post. Choose get for the best result. From URL I want to come with ComfyUI. This is URL without HTTPS. Click paste from this one, and then here you have a predefined credential and generic credential from authentication. Here choose this one and then select your action network API. From here click create new credential, and then you should come with API key from ComfyUI, and then paste your API key and then click save. And then this is how you can do, guys. We successfully created. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content. From API key you can get with ComfyUI easily from GitHub or something like this. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.